Most animals are born with a fixed color, blending into their surroundings in predictable ways. But some creatures have a remarkable ability, the power to change their color when needed. Whether for survival, communication, or temperature control, these animals can shift their appearance in an instant. Some vanish into their environments like ghosts, while others use color as a bold display of warning. Across the United States, nature has given certain species the ability to transform before our eyes. Let's explore 10 US animals that can change color, revealing the incredible science behind their shifting hues. 10. The American chameleon, a master of deception. Despite its name, the American chameleon is not a true chameleon. It's actually a type of lizard. Also known as the green anole, this reptile has the extraordinary ability to shift between green and brown. Unlike chameleons, which use color primarily for camouflage, anoles change shade based on mood and temperature. When relaxed and warm, they turn a bright green, blending perfectly with leaves and vegetation. When stressed or cold, they shift to a dull brown, helping them absorb more heat from the sun. Males use color changes to intimidate rivals, signaling dominance in fierce territorial battles. This small lizard proves that even subtle shifts in color can mean the difference between life and death. 9. The Pacific tree frog. The amphibian with adaptive skin, the Pacific tree frog, is one of the most adaptable amphibians in North America. This tiny frog can change from green to brown or gray, depending on its surroundings. The transformation takes days or weeks, allowing it to match the seasonal colors of its habitat. Unlike rapid changes like cuttlefish, this frog adjusts its pigment cells slowly over time. Blending into leaves, moss or bark helps them avoid predators like snakes and birds. Their skin isn't just for camouflage, it also absorbs moisture, keeping them hydrated in dry conditions. For these frogs, color isn't just a disguise, it's a survival tool against an ever-changing world. 8. The eastern newt. A color shift from youth to adulthood. Unlike many animals that change color temporarily, the eastern newt undergoes a complete transformation over time. As juveniles, they are bright orange-red, warning predators that they are highly toxic if consumed. Once they reach adulthood, they shift to a muted olive green, blending into aquatic environments. This change signals their transition from a land-dwelling creature to a fully aquatic adult. Their color serves two purposes: warning in youth, camouflage in maturity, ensuring survival at every stage of life. Eastern newts are proof that nature equips animals with the right colors for the right moments. 7. The Arctic fox, a mammal that changes with the seasons. Few animals have a more dramatic transformation than the Arctic fox. During summer, their fur is a sleek brown or gray, matching the rocky tundra and grasslands. But when winter arrives, they shift to a stunning white coat, disappearing into the snow. This seasonal adaptation helps them avoid predators while stalking prey across frozen landscapes. Their fur doesn't just change color, it also becomes thicker, insulating them from extreme cold. For Arctic foxes, color isn't just camouflage, it's a matter of survival in one of Earth's harshest climates. 6. The snowshoe hare, a shape-shifting prey. Animal like the Arctic fox, the snowshoe hare changes its coat color based on the seasons. In the summer, their fur is a dusty brown, blending perfectly with forest floors and dry grass. As winter approaches, their bodies begin producing white fur, allowing them to vanish into the snow. This transformation is triggered by changes in daylight rather than temperature, ensuring precise seasonal timing. However, climate change is disrupting this process, causing some hares to remain white even when snow is gone. When this happens, they stand out to predators, making survival far more difficult. For snowshoe hares, timing their color shift perfectly is the difference between life and death. 5. The common octopus, a color-changing master of disguise. While most people associate color-changing animals with reptiles or insects, octopuses are among the most advanced. The common octopus found off US coasts can shift colors in milliseconds using special skin cells called chromatophores. These cells expand or contract, revealing different pigments that allow the octopus to instantly blend into its surroundings. They can mimic the textures of coral, rocks and sand, making them nearly invisible to predators. Some use rapid color flashes to confuse prey or signal warnings to other marine creatures. Their intelligence, combined with this remarkable ability, makes them one of the ocean's greatest escape artists. 4. The northern walking stick, a bug that disappears. The northern walking stick is an insect with a body designed for deception. It looks like a twig, but its secret weapon is the ability to shift shades for extra camouflage. Depending on its surroundings, it can appear green, brown or gray, blending seamlessly with branches. Unlike chameleons, which use pigments, this insect's color changes are based on environmental exposure and molting. By adapting to its background, it avoids birds, lizards, and other predators that hunt by sight. For an insect without speed or venom, disappearing completely is the ultimate survival strategy. 3. The Gulf flounder, a fish that vanishes into the ocean floor. The Gulf flounder is a flatfish that takes camouflage to the extreme. It has specialized skin cells that allow it to match the sand, rocks, or seafloor beneath it. This adaptation makes it nearly invisible to both predators and prey, giving it a massive advantage. Flounders can even change the pattern and texture of their skin, not just the color. Their ability to vanish into the ocean floor makes them one of the best aquatic shapeshifters. 2. The peppered moth, an evolutionary color changer. The peppered moth is one of the most famous examples of rapid evolution in response to human activity. Before the Industrial Revolution, most were light-colored, blending with tree bark covered in pale lichen. As pollution darkened the trees with soot, moth populations shifted to a darker form, avoiding predation. When air quality improved, lighter moths became more common again, proving natural selection in real time. This moth's color change wasn't an individual adaptation, but an evolutionary response across entire generations. 1. The eastern hog-nosed snake, the ultimate color-changing trickster. The eastern hog-nosed snake is a reptile with one of the most impressive defensive displays in nature. Not only can it change color to match its environment, but it also mimics venomous species. Some turn jet black, imitating cottonmouths, while others adopt earthy tones to blend into forests. When threatened, it flattens its body, hisses, and even plays dead, fooling predators into leaving it alone. This snake proves that color isn't just about blending in. It can also be a powerful act of deception. Final thoughts: the science behind animal color-changing abilities. These animals prove that color is more than just decoration. It's a tool for survival. Whether for camouflage, communication, or intimidation, their shifting colors give them an edge in a dangerous world. Some adapt instantly, while others evolve over generations, proving that nature never stops changing. In the wild, blending in or standing out can mean the difference between life and death. These creatures remind us that nature's best illusions are happening right before our eyes.